Ah, yes. Okay, thank you. Don't have tourist right now. Another bar. Masala. 300 pesos. This is Grey Fox. And another Crazy Wednesday. Free entrance. Drug store. What is this? Bar. What's new? Nothing interesting. Bad space. You see. So look like abandoned already. How much? 6 million. Hi. Bar. Change name only and maybe owner change. Okay, food also. Yes, it's okay. Hi. Abandoned. Men's CR, customer only. Red doors. This is red doors. Hi everyone, today Sunday and now I am on the Perimeter Road. I want to show to you what's new. I already long time not been here. Today little bit rainy, that's why I bring umbrella and I walk around Luna Cabra. What is Luna Cabra? It's new. Mexican restaurant. Chips. Okay, I'll check. Let's see what available. Lechon. Okay, I will check first. It's new restaurant. Can sit inside and outside. Can I see menu? I want take video menu. Yes. Okay, thank you for my subscribers. You can see menu. Hi, thank you. So this is menu. Okay, thank you very much. It's already long time working this place because I not seen before. Not long time working.
It's the
New
restaurant.
New.
Are you vlogger?
Yes. It's My Life Philippines YouTube channel.
Wow, what channel?
It's My Life Philippines name.
Okay, it's My Life Philippines.
Yeah, all together.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you, yes. Yeah, good place. Can sit outside also. Thank you. It's a location Capitol Hill Hotel, in front of Capitol Hill Hotel. Good, big space for park. Rosaretta residential homes. Not new, but it's good looking. I don't know about inside. Maybe someday I will take a video inside. I know we call it Leo Place. This one, Leo's Place. I don't know, it's apartment or what. Yeah, studio type. There's so many apartments available because don't have people in Angeles City. That's why so many places you can find rooms for rent. Yeah, it's okay. 24 hours entrance, parking, motor parking. It's a Srumi Apartelli Hotel. I know this is also short time hotel. Tricycles park here. You can go into a walking street. Also, what is this? Pizzeria, Italian pizzeria. Salon, barber shop. Yeah, it's barber shop, salon. Oh, training center also. Training center. Tailor, take a look, this is Tailor. In our home also Tailor have. Oh, good. Tailor. Georgi long time find Tailor before. This is bakery. I already filming before. This is bakery. From 7 to 7 work. Oh, you can also take jeepney to main gate, friendship terminal. About 10-15 peso. I don't know price. About. Oh, for sale, lease area. I think if bars remove from Walking Street in the future, if maybe bars they can move to this area, maybe, maybe not. Blue Book, rent, you see, so many motors, it means don't have tourists. Don't have tourists right now. If have tourists, always motorcycles, scooters, not available, don't have. Massage. It's for DJ. Silent noise for DJ. Wellness spa salon. Also rent motor. What is this? It's okay. Drugstore. Drugstore. Right side you can see this is before, it's abandoned bars before in Perimeter Road. You see so many space. Matrix, Brown. You see. Yeah, so many space. Before it's bars. Bars with girls. Now already don't have girls. And this side 2 bars. We invite people. Garfield is Garfield. Another bar is CNBC bar. Another, it's also will open bar. This is bar open, new bar.
New bar.
What name? What name of bar?
TNT.
Same. It's good. Chicken tikka masala. 300 peso. Grey Fox bar. This is Grey Fox. And another Bad Delicious. Bad Delicious. Satin bar. Crazy Wednesday, take a look. Crazy Wednesday, free entrance from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Black Satin, Tartar Birds and Night Moves, free entrance. But another day maybe need pay for entrance, I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know about bars. Write comments please if you know about like Wednesday free entrance, but another time maybe I need to pay for entrance or not. Many people sales here Viagra, paracetamol, Ambraxol, maybe drugstore. What is this bar? Free moves bar. Yes, he parking not good. If have some accident, he will pay. Take a look how park. Half of the road. I don't like people who park not good, really. I don't know why. So many space, another side, even here, even here. It's okay, it's not my problem, of course, but disturb another people only, another drivers. Margarita station, hi. Security guard, I know, long time I know him. 13 years already. 13 years. Joe's Cafe, American style restaurant. You can see what you can buy. In Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what you want. Different day, different meals and price. Grey Hotel Motel. This breakfast, coffee shop. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Coffee plus. Massage. Okay. Always I see this wires, take a look. Интересно. All Asia the same. It's not only in the Philippines. In Japan also. But in China mostly already they remove and put good. Okay, a little bit walk inside Perimeter Road. Okay, so this way you already seen what's new, nothing interesting, don't have new bars, new restaurants. This is karaoke. Karaoke working evening only open. Street foods. Yeah, it's karaoke open only evening. If you want to go to straight, it's already La Grande Resident. Okay, we can walk to La Grande Resident. I switch off camera now because it's same, always the same here. Right side you can go to clean your clothes. It's Laundromat also. Foods you can buy here. Left side you can paint your car if you want, repair. Always the same, but now I not smell bad. Clean, more clean than before. Before I walk here, so dirty, so many garbage. Also this is road, good, clean, more spaceful, park. Another side. No, first we're going to La Grande Resident and take a look near La Grande Resident. Left side. NASA also have so many apartments in this way. Many. Most of apartment for rent empty right now. I'm already near La Grande residence. Yes, left side is also laundry. Also many, so many, very busy. Wall Street wraps. A little bit windy now. La Grande residence. Another laundry. So many laundry. Empty is laundry. Room for rent. Bed space, you see. So no, it's for local people, not for foreigners. Take a look. This is hotel for renovation. I don't know. I will check what name of hotel.
Sina Daniel, pag English, mathematics, na ano, magaling.
Oh, I don't know how to go inside. Inside so dirty. Narrow road. Okay. Swiss Valleys apartment. Alabama, Sangli City. And right side build something. I don't know, maybe shopping center, also apartments. SK condo, 19,000 months, 1 bedroom standard, 2 bedroom 29, 3 bedroom 36, with swimming pool. Here don't have information about what they built, any sign, I don't know what is this. And this hotel also, I don't know when they open. They will open, I don't know. Canadian hotel. Empty. Don't have people, that's why they not open. Famous Maple Hotel. Even security don't have. Maybe security inside. Look like abandoned already.
Eh, nakalock yung gate dito.
House for rent. How many houses for rent? Apartment for rent here. This for sale, townhouse for sale. You see? How much? 6 million. $6 million. I think expensive. Write comment about what you think about 6 million, 6.5 million pesos for townhouse. It's I think expensive. It's not all house, it's only part. Crown Inn Hotel. I think it's short time hotel. Yes, it's a short time. Take a look. Motorcycle in front of the room. Street foods also near. And dog. Many dogs. Barbecue. We again come back to Leo Place, and now I turn the left side. Massage 24 hours. This is Bretta's popular. Pumpkin pie, 540. Now also available order. Don't have people. Time now. What time? 5:27. Okay. It's time for it. Take a look. This is car wash. Blogger. Hi. Hi. Car wash. That's good. Hi. Bar. Car motor rental here. Maybe 5 years ago I filmed before and talk with Bona also. This is new gas station. Maybe only 6 months at work. This is gas station near Red Planet. Left side it's a Hilltop Hotel. Hilltop Hotel is a drive-in hotel. Very popular. This is Red Planet. I also stayed before in Red Planet few days, maybe 12 years ago, maybe 13 years ago. Rosa Hotel, Rosa. Before it's Drake Hotel, now Rosa. Change name only and maybe owner change. Name change and owner. But I think rooms the same. I think don't have renovation, just same. Change name only. Who like maybe can stay here. Savannah Hotel. Under renovation something. I don't know what they do. Tip-top massage and spa. Thai restaurant. Until 9 p.m. working Thai restaurant. Tip-top. 7-Eleven near here. This is K Hotel. Near Lee Robert Hotel. K food also, yes, it's K. Hi. KTV also bar have inside. What is another apartment? But I think noisy near road. It's for foreigner only. You can call and ask. Massage also. Apartment for rent, also apartment for rent. Full furnished. Okay. Weekly rates and daily rates, it's okay. No, daily rates of course expensive. This close, I don't know, abandoned already, abandoned. All attention to camera, they say hi. Sari store. Chicken. Popular chicken here. Another chicken. Bunny Burger. Bunny Burger. Laundry also. This is laundry in front of Bunny Burger. Good. Bar and grill. CR have. Men's CR, customer only, for customers only. 70 peso local drinks. Parking for motor. I think night time, evening, many people here. I think. I never been inside. I don't know, I'm shy go inside, maybe I not allowed camera or some tourists don't like camera. It's okay. Outside, I can walk outside. Clarkview International Academy. International Academy. I see some people live inside this abandoned house. And already open gate and you see they park. Parking. No parking and parking. Okay. Lampost. Veterans. Don't have people, don't have. Another restaurant, grill, Angus Grill. Foreigner inside seat. I remember this place before my friend stay near in apartment. I filming so many. Red Doors. This is Red Doors. Yeah, my friend stayed before in Daniela Place. This Daniela Place. This building old, this is new. And they say it is another building, it's more comfortable, more new, renovate. But this one first is old building. This is Red Doors, studio apartment for rent. This area is good, not noisy. We walk in backside of a K Hotel. This is K Hotel and Swiss Island. Omega visa services. But I don't know, maybe they already in the Balibago. Maybe they move already to new office. I don't know, I will check and take a video about this. Clarkview is this area. Clarkview. Also abandoned house, left side. This is Drive-In Hilltop Hotel. Full parking, maybe many people inside. I filming already before. Inside. Pub. No, don't have people. Don't have. I think they park only for drive-in hotel. I think. Because in the pub don't have people inside.
Ganyanin na. Hindi kasi na ano, basta smooth. Sabi ko, basta bata.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.